Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Telegram and Instagram side by side on your device so you can copy-paste quickly. Once done, open the emoji or sticker pack in Telegram and long press the emoji you want. This copies or saves it. Make sure to allow Telegram to access the clipboard or save images to the camera roll. You do this because Instagram accepts pasted emoji and image stickers. Having both apps ready reduces friction and makes the next steps fast. Now you actually copy the emoji. Long press the Telegram emoji or sticker. If the option shows copy, tap it. If it saves as an image, save to photos. Once copied, switch to Instagram and tap the text field where you want the emoji, caption, bio, story, or a DM. Paste with your keyboard paste command and adjust placement and spacing. You do this because text fields accept Unicode and pasted images behave like stickers. This step bridges Telegram. Finish by positioning or resizing the pasted emoji or sticker in Instagram stories, or confirm the emoji appears correctly in captions and bio before posting. If paste fails, close both apps, clear your clipboard, and repeat the long press copy from Telegram. This often fixes permission hiccups. Make sure to preview on another account or device to verify appearance. You want consistent rendering. Once satisfied, publish, because confirming visibility ensures your Telegram emoji shows up to followers exactly as intended.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.